Hi friends! How are you doing today? It's another beautiful day and we are going to get started on our 4-year-old class PM class day. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, like we always do, is we are going to stand up and put your hand over your heart, looking at the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now to the side. I am somebody, I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Okay, so moving on. Let's see. Does anybody remember what the name of the month is? The name of the month is... Psych, it's not loading. There it is. The name of the month is... April. Good job. April. Everybody say April. It is April. We left school in March. It is now April, okay? So it is April, and we need to figure out what day it is today. So let's sing our song together. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Alrighty, friends. So it is not Friday, but we need to figure out what the day of the week is today. We talked yesterday, and yesterday was Tuesday, and today is Wednesday, and that means tomorrow will be Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. So today is Wednesday. Let's find out what the date is today. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is the 8th. It is April 8th, 2020. Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? The weather's been a little silly the last couple days, but we need to find out what the weather's like today. So I'm going to count down from 10, and I want you to go look out the window and see what is happening today. All right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so the weather today. Is it snowing outside? No, it's not snowing outside. All right, because let's talk about this for just a second. It's not snowing outside, but you know what we do need to talk about? What season are we in? Do you remember? We came out of winter, and now we are in, starts with an S, spring. Spring. We are in spring. So more than likely it is not going to snow. Not going to say never, but more than likely it is not going to snow. So no snow. Is it raining right now? Well, I'm looking outside. It was raining a little bit first thing this morning, a little stormy and pretty cloudy, but right now it doesn't seem that it's very, very rainy outside today. Maybe at your house, but close to school where I live, it's not raining outside. But there are some of those white things up in the sky. What are those called? Clouds. Yep, so there's a few clouds, but mostly I think it's sunny today, at least in this point of the day, and it is before noon. It's pretty sunny outside today. All right, we did sorting and patterning this week, and I want to review letters some extra today. So we're just going to move on to our numerals, and we are going to count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's count back. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, moving on. Counting song down below. Go ahead and click that link. We do not need to review this today because I want to move on from V. I want to move on from V. And nope, I want to move on from V. And now we're going to use W because we already did V. So things you can do to review V though. Let's just go to fully me. Remember V is, we start at the top. It's big line, slide down. Big line, slide up. And what's the name of that letter? V. And you remember what sound V makes? V makes the V sound. It makes the V sound. It's a silly sound to make, I'll tell you. A worksheet that you can do to review that letter V is right here. So this is for letter V, okay? Today we're just going to talk about the letter W. I don't have the printout for W. I'm going to attach it today to Dojo to make sure that you have it. I don't, but I'm going to get it. But letter W is what we're going to be talking about. Today is just a review for V. So also what we're going to be doing today is I want you to practice writing the letter V, okay? And we're going to start that W. We are going to start the W review tomorrow so that we can split next week as well. I want to catch us up with everybody else because I did miss a week 2 weeks ago. But V and W are very similar, so we are going to go ahead and practice the letter V today. So you need your pencil, and I need to see that you have that grip going on where you're holding, pinch, and rest. So we're going to start up here at this top line like there's a smiley face there. And we are going to do a big line slide down and big line slide up. And what is that letter, friends? V. And V makes the V sound, okay? Then you're going to leave a little bit of space and you're going to practice again. Start at the top. Even though there's no smiley face, you just pretend there's a little smiley face up here. I'm going to draw one in on mine. Just pretend there's a smiley face right up there, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to start at the top and you're going to do a big line slide down, big line slide up. What's the name of that letter? V. And you're going to continue practicing that letter V. I would love for you to fill the whole page with V's just for practice. If you only want to do half of them or 2 of them, that is completely up to your parents. But I would love to see a page full of V's. So that is what we're doing with the letter V. All right. And then, like I said, we are going to move on to W. I think I already talked about this, but this is a fun worksheet also. All they're doing is looking for uppercase V. When they look for uppercase V, they are coloring in all the bubbles that have the letter V that you traced up here, okay? So you are working on the letter V. Tomorrow, like I said, we're going to move on to W, but today I wanted to give V its time of review, and we will discuss further about W starting tomorrow. Remember, the V video will be below in the description. That really does help the kids know what sound V makes and to practice that. Okay? All right. So that is what we have for that. And we're going to move on. So, like I said, tomorrow we will start W. And we will be done with V. So that I am on track for Well, next week will also be X. We will do W and X together. Okay, so the nursery rhyme of the week is, hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Good job, friends. We'll have a new nursery rhyme for next week. That's hey diddle diddle. Music, you know the links are below in the description. If you just want to click them and do it at the end, you can do it whenever. I already posted Miss Nichols' story for today, Max's Easter surprise. So if you didn't see it, it should be in your messages and also on Class Story. Okay? So the extended practice today is just what I talked to you about with practicing that letter V sheet here and also finishing this review of V if you've not done it so far. I assigned this yesterday to be working on practicing. This needs to be done before you move on to just practicing willy-nilly without lines, okay? This has to be done first, and then this can be done. So if you didn't do this one yet, you need to do this one first, and then this one. Next week's worksheets, just so you all know, I know it's only Thursday, but next week's worksheets will be all in one file, and Miss E did a wonderful job organizing them for us and putting them and numbering them. So I'll be following her numbers that she put on the sheets for next week's work. I will make sure that I include the worksheets if I'm going back to some stuff that I may have missed this week that was in the packet. It's all new, and we're just trying to go with it. So, it's the same thing with that letter review. I know I'm trying to squish some letters into the middle. It's just because I'm trying to catch up so that all of preschool's on the same page. But either way, back to my kids. I love you all very much. We love you very much. Miss Nichols misses you. I miss you. We will see you soon. And I will keep recording. Later today, I'll also have the Count the Eggs math mat activity. So if you want to get that ready, go for it. Have a wonderful day. I will see you soon. Bye.